Hello, welcome back to Stomach Doctor's Kitchen. Stomach Doctor wishes you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. In today's video, we are going to make homemade ketchup. First of all, you will get the tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. Then you chop it into smaller pieces. You then transfer your chopped tomatoes into a clean pot, then leave it to boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. You then chop some onions and ginger. After 10 minutes, you take it out from the fire, then transfer it into your blender. Let it cool down for some minutes, then blend it up. Whilst blending, you should add the chopped onions and the ginger. After blending, you now sieve it to achieve a smooth paste. You go ahead to transfer your sieve paste into a pot and leave it to boil. Then add in a half teaspoon of salt, then 3 teaspoons of vinegar, white vinegar. You can also use an apple cider vinegar. Go ahead to add in any sweetener of your choice. I'm using honey, a teaspoon of honey. You can also use a brown sugar or white sugar. Leave it to boil for about 12 to 15 minutes, depending on your desired consistency. I don't want mine to be so thick, so I boiled it for just 12 minutes. Our ketchup is ready, so transfer it in any bowl and let it cool down. There are so many ways in making ketchup, but this is the easiest and simple recipe. Thanks you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate. If you are new to this channel, welcome to Stomach Doctor's Kitchen. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share. Until our next video. Bye bye.